Hi my friends, it's Susanna here with the Strong Bones Challenge Facebook group and the August 2024 Posture Challenge. So let's jump right in with how to achieve excellent posture. So begin either standing or seated, and then you can overdo bad posture to get started. So hunch back and bring your chin, jut your chin forward a little bit. Terrible posture. Take 2 fingers and now start to straighten up, and now press your chin back and activate your neck muscles. So that's the first thing. Very important to strengthen the neck muscles, so the strong neck muscles will support the good posture. Take those same 2 fingers and place them at your very crown, where your fontanelle was when you were a baby, and from here you'll want to press up into the crown. So you think of lengthening your spine and getting longer and taller. And there it is. Great posture. Remember, you don't need to use that other cue that we often suggested, which was breastbone up, because if you do this, everything will lift. The breastbone up suggestion can create an arch in the back, which can create other problems. So press up through your crown. There you go. Now for our exercises, we'll do, what are they called? Oh, angel arms for strengthening the upper back muscles, shoulders, and supporting our posture. Bring your elbows into your rib cage, be a little bit behind you, not forward, but a little back. And then from here, you'll lift the arms overhead, cross at the wrists, and then pull down. So you really feel the activation of the muscles of your arms, as well as drawing the shoulder blades together. Feel the retraction of your shoulder blades. Squeeze them. Good. And then do that 10 times. Inhale it up, exhale it down for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, last one, and pull it down. Pause here for the next exercise. So we're in the same position, and we're feeling the shoulder blades down and the shoulders are dropped. We're not, definitely don't want to hunch up, drop them. Okay, so this is the open and close exercise. So bring the arms together, the hands can touch, and then go back and squeeze back. So you'll pull back. Again, we're squeezing those shoulder blades. In and out. So slightly different movement for the arm muscles to do this, and the back muscles, and the chest. All the muscles are getting a workout, supporting our posture. So let's do 5 more. 5, 4, squeeze, 3, 2, last one. Okay, relax. Good. Let's relax. Do some shoulder rolls, find your breath, shake out your wrists. Okay, now bonus. This is the tricep exercise that you can do every day or every other day would be fine, using some weight. So depending on where you're at, how heavy a weight is up to you. So if you've already been using weights lately, you know you should go what's an appropriate heavy weight. Heavy is important. But if you have not used weights at all, or you're recovering from an injury like I am, you'll want relatively light weights to do this exercise this month. So, no weight at all, a water bottle, or 1, 2, or join me with 3 pounds. So you figure out what's appropriate for you. Now, it's called a tricep kickback. You'll position yourself so that you can hinge at the hips. I've got 1 foot forward and the other foot back slightly, and hinging at my hips, I'm leaning forward about 45 degrees or so, and the elbows are into the body, same as we did before for the other exercises. Holding the weights but not squeezing too hard. It's a firm grip but a relaxed grip. Kick back. So take your arms behind you and squeeze your tricep muscles and also the shoulder blades. You'll feel them come together. And then back to the starting point. 4, 10, 9, squeeze, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, last one, and hold it. You can pulse it for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold, breathe, and relax. Great. So for best results, you'll want to take a rest and then repeat that once or twice. Also, you can alternate days for adding the load to your muscles so that there's a rest day. And if you'd like to do this with me in a little bit of a longer version, I have a video, there'll be a link to that, which is fun. I'm getting a lot of real positive comments about my Posture Express video. So we do a few more things, but essentially what we've just done now, expanded. So check out my Posture Express video, and if you're not yet a member of the Strong Bones Challenge Facebook group, you can go below this video, find a link to click to request to join. We would love to have you. And everyone, please give this video a thumbs up, a like, because I know you liked it and I appreciate your likes. And lastly, that's it, I guess. If you'd like to find out how I increase my own bone density, I have a link for that information as well underneath this video. So do your challenge every day, work on your excellent posture, and report back in the Facebook group. Thank you. Be strong.